You got this going on, or this, where all your belongings are just out in the open, then utilize this wasted space above the bonnet. Over Bonnet Storage from Assembly Magic. We're down in another basement installing a over bonnet storage unit for a customer. These units can go in absolutely any car space. If you've got a little car like this with a low bonnet, or you've got a ute with a much higher bonnet. And because the legs adjust independently, we're able to level it perfectly, even if your car space is on an angle. They come with their own high quality secure block. Holds up to 400 kilos, heavy duty, high quality products. Look beautiful. Look at this rubbish here next door, but this guy doesn't have that. All right, Merv, let's do the reveal. And oh, look at that. Look at the space in there. Heavy duty, over bonnet storage from Assembly Magic. We'll deliver it and put it together for you.